Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY Daily. First, my little disclaimer, it's no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong, don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested in Riot Blockchain, Marathon Patent Group, Bit Digital, very small, Hive Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, Hut8, Galaxy Digital, Ether Capital, DTSRF, KR1, and DMG Blockchain. So let's get into it. Another exciting day. I was hoping for a little bit of relaxing day, but yeah, there was some bit digital news, some special news, I would say. But we go into it soon. First, we check the prices. We can see the Bitcoin price here right now, and I always say I'm not a TA expert, technical analyst expert, or chart specialist or so, but one guy in the comment section, he made me aware of this possible head and shoulders pattern. I think, yeah, this is a possibility here that if this breaks down here under this line here or under this line here, we have to see. Yeah, there's a possibility of another downtrend. So I was hoping for a fast recovery, and it could happen. We can build something like this double bottom here, and we shoot up again. But there's also a possibility to the downside, and that's why I'm building today a small cash position again. I right now at 6% right now cash position of my portfolio. I think that's it to be prepared for a downtrend and to buy cheap there. But yeah, we will see. We don't know, but we should be always prepared. So yeah. Bitcoin in red right now, -3, Ethereum -2%. The miners are green. The Canadian miners are doing very good with 6% Hive, 7% Hut. They were at 15% a few minutes ago, but now a little bit lower. Bitfarms, the high runner, with 23% today. Argo Blockchain like 6% in London, but in the US -2%. Riot Blockchain, Mara like 7 and 10%, and Bit Digital is in green today. Very interesting. Yeah, that's the prices. I think my move yesterday when Hut8 was -40% to shift my portfolio into the direction of Hut was a good move, because yesterday it recovered 15% from -40 to -25. Today we saw some 15% recovery. Okay, now it's 7%, but it's like 25% or so recovery. So that was very good for my portfolio. So yesterday I was at -22%. So a few minutes ago it was at -2% this week. So a 20% recovery. Right now I think it's dropping again a little bit because prices are down maybe. So I may be at -5 or so, but I'm very happy that I'm close to zero again. Yeah, I think maybe we can start the week tomorrow or so to make some gains here. Okay, but what's the news? Yeah, some guy in Twitter, he told me, that was very nice, that there's a report about Bit Digital which claims that this company is not real. I would say that these miners are not existing, that the executives are criminals, and yeah, it's very crazy what this report here tells us. And this company, this is a professional short selling company, the JCap company, and they also, yeah, they shorted Wirecard, and then Wirecard was down with the fraud. So yeah, I'm thinking. So I was reducing my position today because this is very risky. I cannot prove it's true or not. But the thing is about Bit Digital, I don't know anything about this company. Their financial statements are very small. I don't know where the facilities are, somewhere in China. I don't know where the miners are. I don't know the people of this company. I don't know anything. And on this website there are some nice numbers here. I will show you the Bitcoin mining, which says 2.2 exahash, which is great, but I don't know anything about this company, and yeah, the transparency is very bad. And this is also with the other OS miners like Riot and Mara. For example, Mara, I like their purchase of their 70,000 miners, but I don't know the people of this company. I don't know what's the state of the facility. Are they already built or not? And all these things. That's what I like with Argo blockchain, for example. They release every month their operational report with all the bitcoins they mined, their margin, and all the things. We know Peter Wall, the CEO. And the same with Hive Blockchain or Hut8 or Bitfarms. We know the people there. We know that these are real companies. And the crazy thing is that these companies are, I can show you the market cap. The market cap is a lot lower for these companies, for these Canadian companies and Argo, than from the US companies, which they have a very bad transparency, in my opinion. For example, for Riot, I don't know the hash rate, what they have right now. Do they have 500 or 800? I don't know it. They said they want to have at the end of the year like 840 or so. There was no news release or so. So yeah, these are the things with this, and now Bit Digital. So it opened my eyes a little bit, and my BMXI model always say to me, yeah, be careful with these US stocks, only small positions, go into the undervalued, and that's where I'm focusing right now. I think they're very undervalued. They increased their cash position big in the last few days, and I think they're all ready for a breakout. If Bitcoin moves, they will move, and I think they will have big news in the upcoming days and weeks, because they want all to expand very big, and I think there's some nice things in the pipeline, I guess. Okay, but back to the news here. This is Bit Digital, so I have a very, very small position right now, and I'm very careful with this company. Yeah, they said they raised some capital. I will show you like 80 million or so, for I don't know for what they want to buy with this thing, but wait a second. So we have always these car rental companies. I mean, look at the website. It's not a Bitcoin miner website, okay? There's still car rental, and yeah, they should invest into PR, I guess. So they have a 80 million private equity line facility, and I think they want to sell 1.65 million shares, which is a very cheap dilution in my opinion. And yeah, they say also they mined 291 bitcoins in December, which is very, very good number, I guess. Yeah, but then I see this report here, and there are two mistakes in 3 words, like execute its strategy. You can see it here. So guys, if you're a billion-dollar company, please do some PR here. If you're a real company, it looks not very professional, and I look to this Hut8 or Hive or Argo, and I see a very nice homepage. I see people there. They do interviews and all the things. We need this from these Nasdaq companies, because if this is true with Bit Digital, with the fraud, then I'm asking why I need a Nasdaq listing. What's it worth, a Nasdaq listing, if there are fraudsters there operating there? I don't say it is true. I don't know it, but there is a possibility, and I don't care too much right now about Nasdaq, yes or no, because all these companies like Argo, Hive, Bitfarms, they will all go to Nasdaq. I think so in Q1 or Q2, because they have to, because their shareholders will go crazy when they don't. So there's a big upside potential for these companies. They have a lot of hash rate, and the US companies don't. They disclosed a lot of hash rate, but they're not transparent, and that's what I don't like. Okay, let's jump to Argo blockchain. There were again some warrants triggered, so they have now 327 million shares outstanding. Let's go to Hive blockchain. They closed a 50 million US dollar private placement, so they issued like 5 million common shares, so also a little bit dilution here. So it's closed right now, so maybe Hive is able to move up again, because we always see after this dilution, the price needs some time, and then it moves again. So I hope Hive, with a very good operational data right now, I show you the mining profitability for Ethereum here with 7 cents per day per megahash is very high. Also for Bitcoin is very good, like 25 cents per day per terahash. What we can see that the hash rate from Ethereum global mining is increasing very fast. We're now at more than 320 terahash Bitcoin. It's stabilized right now at 160 terahash. What's also very interesting is Zcash. We have it here. Price was above 100 US dollars, now at 97. Okay, but the mining profitability is right now at 4.5 US dollars cents per day per kilo hash. So that's an increase of more than 50% in the last few days. So that's very good for Argo blockchain, that their Zcash is back, is more profitable right now, I guess. So yes, then I want to tell you that yeah, I had a good call with the website designer, and yeah, I will build my own website with him, which is very nice, and I'm very happy about this. I think this is going to be very good, very great, and a lot of good data for you, but it will take some time. And yeah, I want to tell you something else. I want to advertise on YouTube. I know I said that I don't, but there was this guy, Chris Grace, in the comment section. He has a channel with 7,000 subscribers or so. He does financial there too. Very nice channel. And he told me, if you advertise, there YouTube recommends your videos more. And what I want is, I want to grow. I want to get more people to the opportunity to buy these stocks, these blockchain stocks, to make a lot of money, to get financially independent. That's one thing. And I want to grow my channel to be more successful with my business and my business model. So it's gonna be a win-win situation. And I try to do these advertisements at the beginning and at the end, so you don't have to skip in the video. So I will try it. I think it's $1 or $2 a video, so I'm not gonna get rich with it, but I can reach more people, and that's very important, I think. So I will do this. And if you want more information about, for example, my daily moves over the day, I have my Patreon. It's patreon.com/BLONITY. It's like $1 or so per month, and so it's like nothing, and you can follow me there. That's also a very nice opportunity to get more insights about me and about my strategies, my portfolio, and all the things. So guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.